Happy fall! How are you doing today? I'm finally back. Yeah, I didn't upload last week because I was so busy I didn't even get time to edit. But I'm back. How are you doing? Did you miss me? I hope so. And in this video, I'm going to be doing a Catholic nail design based on the Lady of Hope. And I will put down in the description box down below the story behind these nails if you want to know what the true meaning behind it is. So yes, let's get on with the nail design. Obviously, I painted all of my nails this dark blue. And also, I will be using this very awesome tiny dotting tool, which is just great for drawing and putting little dots throughout this video. And I'll put it down in the description box below if you want to check it out. I think it comes in a set of like 15 nail brushes, and it's one of them. And I really enjoy using it. And right here, I'm just taking some gold acrylic paint, and I'm just drawing stars, just like kind of the normal stars. And sometimes when I screw up on acrylic paint, I kind of wipe it off with just a tissue if I screw up before it dries. But that's just the quick, easy fix. I don't know, I didn't like the look of that star. So let's try this again. I wonder if I'm talking low because it's like 1 o'clock in the morning when I'm filming this voiceover. So everybody's sleeping, so I'm trying not to be too loud. But you know. And also right here I'm taking, all the stars are done. As you can see, I just placed stars all over my nail. And I'm taking some of this gold nail polish and I'm putting that right on top of the stars. And this is gonna kind of seal in the acrylic paint because obviously acrylic paint would just wash off. So I'm kind of sealing it in with some gold nail polish. And now for my next finger, I'm gonna take the same acrylic paint and I'm going to draw just a line in the middle of my nail. And then I'm gonna put 3 dots above it. And this is her crown, the Lady of Hope's crown. And now I'm going to put triangles going up to the dots. It's a very simple, easy, just crown design. Actually, I was so very surprised. I haven't drawn a crown. I almost said clown. What? A crown in a long time. So when I painted this, I was like, what? I did pretty good. I was shocked myself. Anyways, now I'm going to put the same nail polish, this gold glitter nail polish. I love this gold glitter nail polish. I'm putting this, doing the exact same thing, sealing in that acrylic paint. And now I'm going to take some red acrylic paint and I'm going to put a dot of red on the crown. I'm going to put 3 dots. And there we go. The crown is done. Also, I put a top coat on, but I forgot to film it. So, and also I wrote hope on my thumb, but I could not figure out a way how to actually film me doing that on my thumb that way. So yes, I wrote it with the same thing, put the glitter on it, same thing. And then I placed some stars on my other fingers. And yes, this design was it's kind of so simple and easy, but very important to me. So I really wanted to film it and upload it. And guys, thank you so much for watching my videos and always commenting nice things. And please click or tap the screen to subscribe. Please click or tap the screen to watch another video. And yes, I'll see you next time. Bye. Psst. Please check out my other second channel.